Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the media volume level on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if the sound is not working or you're just looking to increase the master volume settings, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the setting gear icon. And then you want to go down and select where it says sound and vibration. And at the top versus media volume. So if it's all the way to the left and there's a line going through the musical note, it means it's turned off, sound is disabled. If you go to the right, it'll turn it up. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to do it. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.